You're looking for a fairly affordable room. This is room 425 at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Now, to the left of the door here is the bathroom. And it has a fairly decent sized shower in here. Has the Dove shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. You also have the Dove hand wash and body lotion here at the sink. Okay, coming out of the bathroom to the right here is a little area for the refrigerator. And then there is a microwave right there. And the ice bucket. And then coming into the actual bedroom here, you have a king-size bed, 2 floating nightstands. This one here has the alarm clock and the phone. One thing I really like about this alarm clock is on the side here is a display of the time. So if you're just waking up in the morning, you don't have to necessarily get up and turn your head to here to see the time. You can just look at it from right here. There is a Bible right down here. It's one of the Gideon Bibles. I'm really happy to see that in this room. And then here's a lounge chair over here. There's a window. Oh, one thing I did want to mention is there is no coffee maker in this room, so you don't have to worry about checking it for underwear or anything. And across the road here is the Blair County Convention Center. And then here's a desk and a dresser and a pretty good sized TV. And then a place to put your luggage, a hanging rack, and then here's the closet. Another hanging rack with hangers, ironing board, and then there is a safe down there also. And then there's a little shelf right here. So if you're looking for a fairly affordable room, this is room 425 at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites in Altoona, Pennsylvania.